How to use WhatsApp. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp on your mobile. You can download it on iOS and also on Android devices. As you click on the WhatsApp, then up above you will have the first option of camera, then you will have chat, then status, and then call. If you want to chat with someone, you have to go down in the add option and you can chat with somebody as you want. If you want to add status, then you have to go on status bar and then you can go on the camera. You can select anything from your gallery, or you can just write it from clicking on the pencil option, or you can make a call to anybody by clicking on the call option that is located down below. Now on the other hand, there is also you can click on these three dots. As you click on these three dots, now you can go to the settings option. From here you can navigate all the settings. This is how you can be able to use WhatsApp. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.